Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we will discuss paper of May-June 2019, paper 1-1, that is multiple choice paper P1, and the first question is, which task is undertaken by an accountant? There are 4 options A, B, C and D, and the C option is correct, preparing an income statement. And the second option is, what are advantages of using ICT, information and communication technology, in bookkeeping and accounting? Number 1 is, accounts are instantly updated and a new balance calculated after each entry. And number 2 is, accuracy is increased as entries only need to be input once. And number 3 is, documents such as invoices can be produced quickly and accurately. These all 3 options are correct, so we will take the C option, that is correct option. In this option 1, 2 and 3 is correct. And number 3 is, which does not reduce the owner's capital. And number A option is correct, business expenses paid using a personal check. When owner will pay business expenses with personal funds, this will not reduce his capital. And number 4 is, a statement of account issued to a customer on 31st March 2019 showed the following information: invoices $250 and credit note $10, cash discount 5% if payment made within 40 days of date of statement of account. The customer made payment on 12th April 2019. It means he has availed the discount. He has paid. He has made payment within 14 days. How much did the customer pay? The correct option is 228 dollars, that is B option. How we will calculate this? And this is the working of this question. And we have customer's account. On 1st April the opening balance of the customer was 250, that is the asset of the supplier. And the return inwards, that is sales return, was $10, and the customer has made payment on 12th April. He has made payment 240 after deducting 5% discount. When we will take discount of 240, because after deducting 10 pounds, that was return inwards sales return, 240 was the balance of the customer. And when we will take 5% of 240, this will be 12, and he will pay net 228, remaining will be discount 12. And on both sides debit and credit are equal, 250 and 250. 5. Tahir purchased goods on credit from Yasmin. How did Yasmin record this? She will record in his sales journal. Tahir is the asset of Yasmin, and when asset increase it will be debited, and sales When sales will be increased, it will be credited. So D option is correct. Sales journal, Tahir to sales. And number 6 is Susie owed $200 for goods supplied by Mandy. Susie paid the amount owing by check after deducting a cash discount $10. Which entries would Susie make in Mandy's account to record this transaction? She will make as Mandy debit because Mandy is her account payable, his supplier, his liability. So when she will pay this liability, the liability will be debit by decreasing, and bank will be decreased because she is paying, and discount received is also credit with bank because this is his income. And number 7 is the following accounts appeared in the ledger of Chan. Fu account. Fu is the supplier of Chan, and the balance opening balance of supplier is $100 on 1st March 2019. Because this is the liability of Chan, he will record it on the credit side, balance BD on the credit side, and then he uh, he he purchased more goods on 12th March to $50, and on 28th March he paid $100 to Fu. It will be recorded on the debit side because liability has decreased. It will be recorded on the debit side, and the remaining balance is 250, that is closing balance of Fu, and Chan will pay in future $250 to Fu. Which statement is correct? And C option is correct. On 28th March Chan paid Fu $100 by check on 28th March. And number 8 is a trial balance is a listing of which balances? A. Assets, closing balances of all accounts. B option is correct. Closing balances of all accounts.